Hello and welcome to SMACT TechCast series, where the flavor is always Oracle. Today's discussion is a feature function comparison between the Oracle AI Data Platform and Fusion AI Data Platform. The agenda for this discussion is a quick corporate overview. Then we're going to go over exactly what is the Oracle AI Data Platform. Then we'll examine the details of what Fusion AI Data Platform is. And lastly, do a comparison between the two technologies. The learning objectives for today's discussion are to understand the Oracle AI Data Platform, understand the Oracle Fusion AI Data Platform, and then understand the differences and similarities between these two products. First, let's talk a little bit about SMACT. SMACT was founded in 2013 as a pure-play Oracle Cloud consultancy. Today, we boast over 150 of our own directly employed Oracle specialized resources. We're a US-based company with a managed services practice out of Dublin, Ohio, where our corporate office is, and we maintain an Oracle Center of Excellence and Innovation in Dublin. We are an Oracle Cloud partner. We're certified for implementations, certified for application managed services support, and we're also ISO 9001 and 27001 certified. What that translates to for our customers is commitment to process, creating step-by-step processes around our implementations and our managed services work, and that ensures success for our clients and also drives down costs through efficiency. We are a Inc. 5000 fastest growing company the last 4 years in a row, and Columbus top fast 50 growing company. Our guiding principles are excellence, integrity, and growth. Our focus within technology includes all of the Fusion Cloud applications across the board with ERP, supply chain management, HCM, CX Cloud, and EPM. We also maintain legacy application experience and expertise in PeopleSoft and Oracle eBusiness. And then again, with the technical foundation of the cloud with Oracle Cloud Infrastructure, Identity Access Management, and Oracle Integration Cloud Services. And then lastly, we specialize in Fusion AI Data Platform and the AI Data Platform and Oracle Analytics Cloud. So, Oracle AI Data Platform, what is it? With the Oracle 2025 AI World Conference, we saw a lot of change in the Oracle ecosystem. Things from technology innovation, product updates, and product name changes. That's kind of what spawned the thought of creating this presentation, because coming out of AI World and the announcement of the name change for FDI to Fusion AI Data Platform and the announcement of the AI Data Platform, there was a lot of confusion about what's the differences, what are these different products, how do they relate to each other. So that's why we came up with this TechCast to do some explanation as to how they differ and how they are similar. The Oracle AI Data Platform and the Fusion AI Data Platform differ in scope and specialization. When we look at the Oracle AI Data Platform, it's a broader foundational platform. It's based on AI and building out scaling AI solutions for enterprise customers. This focus of this product is on unifying data, creating a structure, a platform to bring structured, unstructured data into a single platform and then make it AI ready. The components of the AI Data Platform include the Oracle Cloud Infrastructure, Autonomous AI Database, and OCI Generative AI Services. The Oracle AI Data Platform, again, is a broader foundational platform. The use cases for this is going to be, it's meant to provide an environment, a tool that developers should use both for data storage, for a unified data lake, again, for structured, unstructured data, and then combine that with OCI agentic capabilities for AI development. So the focus is from a user perspective is for data professionals and developers to help them manage the full life cycle of AI development, from ingestion of that data, how they manage and govern that data, building the data models, and then developing agentic AI applications to access and utilize that data. There's a lot of integrations. The foundation enables AI across Oracle's entire ecosystem, including planned tailored versions for Fusion applications, which we'll talk about subsequent to this. Within the AI data platform, this concept of and the capability to have 3 layers of storage. First, you've got a raw data layer, the bronze layer, for bringing in just raw data. Then we've got a silver layer, which is where the refined data is stored and transformed from the bronze layer using machine learning models and data models that you create. Also, we've got the gold layer where ultimately we're bringing the data into the gold layer where it's ready for data visualizations and reporting. So the key platform elements of Oracle AI Data Platform are the unified interactive development environment for development with Notebook, Spark, and orchestration, the unified catalog, the centralized governance for data and AI assets, the autonomous AI database where query-ready data for analytics and AI, object store, scalable data lake foundation, and then the OSI generative AI services, which is an integration with foundations with large language models like Cohere, ChatGPT, and Llama. And we anticipate that's going to expand and have access to other large language models. And also Oracle Analytics Cloud for visualization and reporting. Here's an architectural diagram which shows the ingestion of data from Oracle applications, also from other sources, the ability to build applications on top of the AI data platform, and then ultimately, render those in visualizations for the end user and create AI agents that access the data. Now, Fusion AI Data Platform. So the primary difference is that the Oracle Fusion AI Data Platform is built specifically for Fusion applications. The Fusion AI Data Platform has gone through a few product name changes. Originally, it was known as Analytics for Applications. Then it became known, or the name transitioned to Fusion Analytics Warehouse. Then in 2024, we saw a name change to FDI, or Fusion Data Intelligence. And about the time we got used to FDI and rolling that off our tongues, last year in October of 2025, we saw the name change to Fusion AI Data Platform. Again, Fusion AI Data Platform is a pre-built product for Fusion cloud applications. Its primary goal is to provide users with access to Oracle AI features, including predictive and generative AI, embedded directly within their daily Fusion cloud workflows. The embeddings and integrations ensure that AI agents like Ask Oracle, the Universal Assistant, or domain-specific agents are seamlessly integrated into that environment. The data source leverages the curated, enriched, and AI-ready data available through Fusion Data Intelligence. The use case here is to serve business users of Fusion applications by automating tasks, surfacing insights, and providing intelligence directly in the application interface, ensuring the high performance and security with the isolated instance for each organization. So when we look at Fusion AI Data Platform, again, it's pre-built for Fusion applications. It consists of a data pipeline, which brings the data over from Fusion application. When we look at the Fusion AI Data Platform architecture, you can see that it brings data directly from Fusion applications into what's coined the data pipeline. This data pipeline is an extraction program that's pre-built for you. It's a packaged application that pulls the data directly from Fusion applications, brings it into the autonomous data warehouse, or what's now known as the autonomous AI data lake, and then makes it available once we make some transformations into the semantic layer in OAC, and ultimately to the end user in visualizations and dashboards and reports. So again, all this is pre-built. It's got components that are pre-built. It includes OCI with the identity and access management services, the data pipeline, autonomous data warehouse, and Oracle Analytics Cloud, all pre-built into a package, and then pre-built with the extraction programs for the data out of the applications, and then has pre-built analytics available for the enterprise. So again, here we can look at specifically, kind of in a list form, those components. As I suggested, Oracle Cloud Infrastructure with identity and access management, the Fusion Analytics console where everything's kind of orchestrated by the administrator within Fusion AI Data Platform. Then we've got the data pipeline infrastructure. This is, again, the extraction programs and everything that's meant to already pre-built to bring the data from Fusion applications into the warehouse and ultimately make its way to the visualization layer. In the Oracle Autonomous Data Warehouse, which again, you'll see some name changes there. Now it's Autonomous AI Data Lakehouse. So now that we've discussed the AI Data Platform and Fusion AI Data Platform, let's take a comparison between the two. So we're going to go line by line here. As we look at the scope of the AI Data Platform, this is a broader enterprise-wide foundation for AI and data. Versus when we look at the Fusion AI Data Platform, it's specialized for use with Fusion applications. It's pre-built, purpose-specific for Fusion applications, again, in extracting the data from those applications with pre-built analytics. The core goal of the AI Data Platform is to create a unified data and accelerate the Fusion AI data development lifecycle versus the Fusion AI Data Platform has a lot of AI embedded features, and again, it's meant purposely specific to use with Fusion applications. The target end user for AI Data Platform is going to be more data engineers, data scientists, and AI developers, versus the Fusion AI Data Platform is meant for business users, people who are using the applications, whether it's finance and ERP, HCM, supply chain management, or CX Cloud. Also, it can be extended to include data that it's not pre-built for, like enterprise performance management or EPM cloud, or other data that you may have still on premises. So we can extend the Fusion AI Data Platform to bring in other data outside of Fusion applications, which is what we're seeing a lot of our customers do. Now, the components of the AI Data Platform include OCI, Autonomous AI Database, OCI Generative AI Services, and then the Open Lakehouse formats. The Fusion application data is the primary foundation of the data that's brought into the Fusion AI Data Platform. Then we've got Fusion Data Intelligence and pre-built AI models and agents. Within the AI Data Platform, we have two layers. We've got the platform layer and the infrastructure. Within Fusion AI Data Platform, we've got applications and SaaS. The deployment model for AI Data Platform is build your own. Whereas with Fusion AI Data Platform, everything is pre-built, and then it's also managed behind the scenes by Oracle. With AI Data Platform, you've got a longer life cycle for development because, again, it's a platform which is meant to be used for developers to build your own, versus with Fusion AI Data Platform, there's an accelerated timeline because it's all pre-built, although there is a lot of setup and configuration that can't be overlooked. There's a lot of flexibility with the AI Data Platform. You've got maximum ability to customize and create your own, versus with Fusion AI Data Platform, you can't touch any of the pre-built structured data, but you can extend it, and as long as you work within the framework, and then you can bring external data into that and make it more purposeful across your enterprise, not only for Fusion applications, for other data sets. Now, the technical expertise required to build it all yourself with AI Data Platform is much, much higher. So it requires, a lot of technical developers, a lot of more capabilities. Versus the Fusion AI Data Platform, it's meant to lower that threshold and require less IT specific resources to set up and configure and make available to your business users. So the use case for, Oracle AI Data Platform is it going to be any type of AI data development project, whether it's Oracle specific data or other data to bring in and build out. Again, you've got the AI data lake capabilities, so you can bring structured, unstructured data in and then do all your own development. whereas the Fusion AI Data Platform is meant purpose-specific for Fusion Cloud application users, and then also for folks that are bringing in external data beyond the Fusion applications, which most enterprises that we encounter that have Fusion applications still have some other data they need to bring in from other places. The extensibility of AI Data Platform, it's fully open and extendable. Within Fusion AI Data Platform, it's extendable through the AI Data Platform. Again, it can be extended. There's just certain pre-built components that can't be modified. Now, with the AI Data Platform, we've got manual pipeline creation versus in the Fusion AI Data Platform, we've got the data platform and the data pipeline, which has already been pre-built for you. So the fundamental relationship between Fusion AI Data Platform is that it's built on top of AI Data Platform. So when you look at FAIDP, if you'll allow me, it is using the AI Data Platform underneath as the platform it was built on. AI Data Platform is that foundation layer, the technical infrastructure for data engineers and developers, and then it's used for building custom. Again, we've got two different purposes. Fusion AI Data Platform pre-built for the Fusion applications, AI Data Platform, which again is the foundation underneath, which FAIDP is built, is meant for engineers and people to build their own. So with Fusion AI Data Platform being pre-built for Fusion, it's got 2,000 pre-built KPIs and dashboards and analytics. It requires minimal technical setup and immediate business and provides you immediate business value. Again, not to be overlooked, there's a lot of setup and configuration. There's a lot of data validation, bringing your data into the application that has to be done between your ERP or whatever system you're connecting with the Fusion AI Data Platform. We appreciate you joining again today for this TechCast, and hope to see you again soon. Thank you.